Man, look at that hood bird, man.
He's living on the edge. He's in the street, taking his time, dipping in the water.
That's a thug.
Yeah, he is. Look at him. He don't care about nothing.
He don't. But soon as he got on that dangerous spot, he flew on the other side.
Look at him, look at him. Oh, he letting you get a picture of him. Oh.
That's hood.
Hey, look at him getting in the water. He wetting his feet up.
Man.
He's living on the dangerous side. Look at him.
Alright, get out that street now.
We're gonna name him Pete. Pete the Crow. He is hood.
He is. Oh man, look at that, man. He getting dangerous.
You don't need to care. Really, flower will be happy.